Time to test the bobbin winder on the Kenmore 1201. It's freed up and reassembled and has a new tire on it. The old tire split right away when I took it apart. So I have new felts to put on the thread spool pin. So I'm going to throw a new felt on there and then thread this machine for bobbin winding. This is a pretty nice, simple thread path. You put the thread spool up, the hook on the front of the machine, and then down under the bobbin winder tension disc. And then here I am trying to figure out which way to wind the bobbin. And I guessed wrong. I should know this, but I don't use a lot of this style of bobbin winder. You need to wrap from the back. So the thread goes behind the bobbin and over the top and then down the front. Also, this style of bobbin winder, this one has a tiny key that the bobbin is turned by. It doesn't have the spring that is common on newer styles of bobbin winder. So this picked up right away. It was not winding the bobbin evenly, so if you are running a bobbin winder and it's loading one side of the bobbin more than the other, the way that you fix that is loosening up and moving the lower tension disc here. So I loosened that, moved it a little bit in the direction that you want the bobbin to fill. So this bobbin was overloading on the right. So this tension disc needs to move a little bit to the left to even out the fill. And then that little adjustment fixed it. The bobbin winder on this machine, that finger in the center that measures the fabric or thread load and releases the bobbin, those can also be a little wide for modern class 15 bobbins. So if you are having trouble, make sure you find the bobbin that came with your machine.